sunrise half an hour ago. First time we actually got some good winds. We got 26 knots of wind, pretty much straight on the nose. I'm just sailing at 30 degrees right now. We're heeling over quite a lot, but finally awesome to get some good speed. We got reefs in the main and in the jib, and we're doing 7 knots. Just got to keep it on course, and pretty nice to have a bit of a lean on finally. So joining me this week on Schiehallion is Marie from France. Decided what better place to take her and show her in this short time that she's got than go up to Wayag. So, you know, on the way up it started to come down a bit, but I saw this fluttering and a bit of action on the water, and I thought it might be some manta rays, so I pulled down the sails and just drifted. So I decided to put up the drone, put the drone up high, and didn't see anything, just pushed record, and then next thing come into view, this northern right whale just came up with the mouth open. You can see, amazing. I've never seen anything like that before in my life. From the boat we couldn't really see anything, just some little splashes, but from the drone, like, whoa, what an amazing view. But it was pretty hard to film because it would do this big feeding motion and then dive down deep, and I wouldn't see it and I wouldn't know where it was going to come up next, so I missed a lot of opportunities. But yeah, I got a couple of shots here, as you can see. It's about 70 miles up to Wayag, so just cruised along, then anchored in the bay, 10-11 meters sand anchorage, and we went over to the north beach where there's a lot of wave action and a lot of yeah, it's the open ocean out there. Looked around, it was low tide, so wandered around the coast and looked at crabs and whatnot. And Marie scoured the beach for shells and amazing blue coral there actually, which was pretty cool to find, and little hermit crabs everywhere, pretty cool.
You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you.
Yeah, next day we walked up to the lookouts and looked around up there. That perspective is just amazing. You can see, you know, the turquoise, the colours just look bluer and greener from up high, and you know, it's just great. You see it from the drone as well, but to actually be up there and be able to just sit there and watch the colours moving and the light moving is pretty incredible.
You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. For nobody else but you. I used to. True. I used to. True. I used to. True. I used to.
I think we had 4 days in Wayag. We sailed across the 15 miles to Sayang, which is just a small little island a bit further north I'd never been to and wanted to go to. And that was a real cool surprise. You anchor in 4 meters of water, just sand on the bottom. Raja Ampat has incredibly deep anchorages, so 4 meters is just a real safe feeling, and you sort of dive down and the bottom of the keel's only just off the sand, and it's real beautiful there. And on the way over there, we just had an incredible sunset. Just sailed straight in there, and this beautiful big pink clouds, and oh, it's just a really cool time.